Isoko bro. I say greetings to you, all my fans all over the world. Please encourage me, support me by sharing my posts, comment, like. Please share. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. You can also join me in my WhatsApp group where we learn Isoko. But well, for now, let's move to the business of the day. In this my video, we want to learn how to count 1, 2, 3. So listen carefully, please. First of all, 0 ugolie. 0 ugolie, that is 0. 0 ugolie. This thing we dey use until they get argument well. 0 ugolie. No be ofofe. Ofofe na empty. Empty na be ofofe. Okay. Then 1 ovo, 2 ive, 3 esa, 4 ene, 5 iso, 6 ezeza, 7 ire, 8 eren, 9 izi. Abeg, from 1 to 9, abeg try know am well. Then from 10 to 20, know am well. Because now these ones go guide you for the other side. Just like 21, 22, 23, then 40, 30, 31, 32, 40, 41, 42, 40 something. You know, abeg, when you fit don't know from 1 to 9, then from 10 to 20, the rest ones no go come hard you. So 10 ikpe, 11 ikpe gbavo. I believe you understanding me now, right? 12 ikpe gbive, 13 ikpe gbesa, 14 ikpe gbene, 15 ikpe gbiso, 16 ikpe gbezeza, 17 ikpe gbire, 18 ikpe gbere, 19 ikpe gbizi, 20 ude. Okay, now see where that 1 to 9 won't take come again. So ude is 20. Now 21 ude gbavo. You don't dey bring down 1 to 9 come back again. So now so you go take do am. Make am for not to waste your time here. Remember, 10 ikpe, 20 ude. Now let's go to 30. Because if I say make I follow am like that, reach 100. Now I go say my video don't too dey long. Okay. 30 ogba. 30 ogba. So when you want to say 31, ogba gbavo, ogba gbive, ogba gbesa, ogba gbene, ogba gbiso, ogba gbezeza, ogba gbire, ogba gbere, ogba gbizi. You got it now? Now 40 uduve. 40 uduve or ipene. But that ipene not the sweet. Like if you dey pronounce am like this. 40 uduve. So now you want to count 41. Duve gbavo, duve gbiso, duve gbavo, duve gbive, duve gbesa, duve gbene, duve gbiso, duve gbesa. Just like that. Now 50 uduve gbibe. Uduve gbibe, that is 50. Hayo ikpe so. Get it? When you say ikpe so, that means 10 times 5. You know, ikpe is 10. So 10 times 5. Now when you say uduve gbibe, that is 20 times 2 plus 10. Do you get it? So then uduve gbibe bovo. That means you are bringing that 1, 2, 3 again now. That 1 to 9, you are bringing it here again now. So that is how you follow it to 59. Now let's go to 60. 60 udosa. That is 20 times 3. Udosa 20 times 3. That is 60, right? So 61. Udosa gbavo, dosa gbive, dosa gbesa, dosa gbene, just like that. You get it? Then 70. Udosa gbibe. 70. Udosa gbibe. Ayo. Ikbe ile. Do you get it now? So dosa gbibe gbavo, dosa gbibe gbive, just like that. Then 80. Udone. That is 20 times 4. Udone. So the same way you will continue. You will go bring that 1, 2, 3, 1 to 9 back again now. Udone gbofo, udone gbive, udone gbesa, udone gbiso, just like udone gbene, udone gbiso, just like that. Now you go take full until 9 to 89. Now let's move to 90. Udone gbibe. Ayo ikbezi. Ikbezi, that means 10 times 9. Which is 10 into 9, please. You get it? 10 times 9. Udone gbibe, that is 20 times 4 plus 10. You get it? So that is how you continue. Udone gbibe gbavo, udone gbibe gbive, udone gbibe gbesa, udone gbibe gbene, udone gbibe gbiso, udone gbibe gbezeza, udone gbibe gbire, udone gbibe gbere, udone gbibe gbizi. Sorry, be like I said the video not too long or no verse. Now 100. 100. Uduso. Uduso 100. But the main name, okay, just as 10 gets your own, you understand? 10 ikbe, 20 ude, 30 ogba. You understand this one? Just as this one get their own, this is now so 100 day. 100 is egba. Sorry, please understand this. Not ogba. Ogba is 30. Egba is 100. Or uduso. You get it now? So let's move ahead. Sorry. This video don't do too long. No verse. 1,000 udu. 1,000 udu. Please understand this. Not udu. Because in Isoko, udu or chest is udu. But it has the same spelling but different meaning and different pronunciation. Okay? Udu, that is 1,000. Then million. Million. Imavo. Ayo, imale. Imale, that is million. Then billion. Ibibima. Billion. Ibibima. Trillion. Ititima. Please, let's work together, okay? Trillion. Ititima. Then zillion. Izizima. Yes, please. That is how we roll. So please try as much as possible to learn this thing, I beg. Try and learn them. They are very, very important. Okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Like, comment, share. Thank you. Love you. Don't forget, I beg, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.